Ito talaga ang aking forever.
Ng France. France na France.
Yan ang aking
German
one
France.
and only.
German France.
Forever lang.
Sana all.
Also follow my FB, Evelyn Dupit Balonzo.
Welcome Germany. Sa Germany na kami. Manusulit sa BF. Naglakad-lakad. Ito po. Good morning. Friendly. So friendly din yung mga tao sa Germany. Wow, malamig. Ang simoy ng hangin.
Ay, wow, may Decathlon na dito.
Ha?
Decathlon.
Dito na kami sa Germany. Date kami ng aking tatay. Sorry. Malamig ang panahon. Ganito dito. Marami ding mga bike. Ayun oh.
Binibenta yan.
Dami ding mga bike.
Binibenta yan.
Dami ding mga Filipino dito.
Oo, naglalakad.
Parang gusto ko mag-apply na lang dito ng ano bang magandang applyan? Wow. Sarap. Parang pare-parehas yung ano nila, no? Ganyan yung building nila, may mga ganyan, no? Parang castle. Castle po ba yan?
Simbahan.
Ah, simbahan ba yan?
Tingin ko lang. Kasi sabi niya, no? We will visit look all this Catholic Church. Look, I do.
Wow, ano yung strawberry? May strawberry, oh. Ganito dito sa Germany. May flower shop din, oh.
Palengke yan.
Ah.
May bintahan ng kamatis.
Mm.
Nabili yan sa pagkita. Gulo yun eh.
Canal.
Like small channels, they actually use the water from one river, small river, which is called the city, and everywhere in the city they put the channels. In the past, that channels were actually built to help the firefighters when they need some for some fire. But today they are like attractions for the tourists, for the locals, from many places.
May market din sila. No? Oh. Market day nila ngayon. Ah, Sunday pala ngayon.
Monday na po.
Ay, Monday na ba ngayon?
Monday na ngayon.
Oh my God, akala ko Sunday.
Atin mo ba Monday? Monday na. Josh!
Sarap ng hangin, sarap ng lamig. Ang alin na? Ah. Hindi, mali Tuesday morning. Dito lang yan sa Germany. Family tour in Europe.
Oh my gosh. May kamukha siyang meme. Ito dyan yung Farquad. Siya ba yun? Ito? Siya na? Oh, si Lord Farquad. Yung sa cookies.
Actually, the most famous German kings. Famous kings history of Germany. That one, that red building is actually that commercial hall. Let's walk now so everywhere you can see these interesting colorful houses. Not only here, also in Strasbourg later. So all this region, they're actually typical for this region. These wooden, semi-wooden houses and with different colors on facades. But you can see they're very well organized when we talk about the size, about the height. All of them are the same size. It is by law.
May standard size, ano? Hindi pwede pataasin, ibahin ang kulay.
Germany is famous about their sausage. So here you can find three different types. They usually eat in the morning, in the afternoon, only sausage inside in the bread with some sauce.
Tatay, your favorite mga antique style. Ano ba yun? Native product.
So his beak is orange, whereas the birds in the mountain have yellow beaks. On top of that, his feet are different color to his beak, whereas young birds in the mountain the same color and beak and feet. That's identifier of the species. And also kasi lowering ang altitude natin. So, less
Maganda din yung Germany. Ang napuntahan namin is ilang bansa na ba? Naglakad-lakad kami. Inikot namin ang mga kali-kali sa Germany. Germany tour. Uy, wow, may bayabas. Kita ko bayabas. Dito sa Germany, mayroon din mga daluyan ng tubig. Clarks. Mayroon man yan sa Pinas. Sa Pinas na lang ako bibili. At hindi mabigat sa bagahe. Ang hirap mamili mga ka-BF. Kasi yung bagahe. Paris Persian. Ang dami ring nagtitinda ng, ay, sa wakas may nakita din ako nagtinda ng fruits, oh. Dito sa Germany, ang dami nagtitindang mga fruits sa mga tabi-tabi. Pero like sa Italy, sa, anong country pa ba yung napuntahan namin? Wala talagang fruits akong nakita. Naghahanap ako ng fruits. City tour. City tour sa Germany. Nag-city tour kami sa Germany. Imagine, hindi ko talaga pinangarap na makarating ako sa Europe. Mga solid suki ka BF. Basta sige lang, go lang. Sipag, tiyaga, determinasyon, focus, kung ano man yung goal. Higit sa lahat, pray. Kay Papa G. Kay Papa God. At hindi nyo asahan na nandito na kayo.
Each time there was a war between France and Germany, here we changed our nationality between France and Germany depending on who was winning the war. So in total, 6 times we changed our nationality because of the different wars that happened. Last one was World War II, 1945. Germany was defeated, so it's not the only reason, but it's one of the reasons why we're French today. So as we will be walking through the city center, don't be surprised if many things will remind you what you saw in Germany or in Switzerland or in Austria, because we are culturally, historically German, but today we're French. I like to say we are German in the past, but French in the heart. Right, so we start walking. Of course, if you have any questions on the way, don't hesitate. I'm here for you. Let's go.
Memorize na ng history. Huwag i-listen kami, Joby. Competitive kami eh. May exam tayo eh.
So fast. Bilis maglakad ng taga-France, oh. Mabilis maglakad ng taga-France. Tayo taga-France ka na ba?
Hindi pa.
And now, we are here in France. Mga solid sa TKBF. Hi!
German brands, so
So yeah, there are a lot of bike lanes in the city, so of course a lot of bikes, just like right here. Let's be careful when we cross it. This way, the bikes, they come from both sides. And on the other side of the street, same thing. They come from both sides, both directions. So let's be careful about that. So we're going on straight ahead towards the white buildings that we can see in the distance.
Very energetic si Kuya. Ito yung France. Mga gilid-gilid ng France, mga sulit-suki kabi. Oh.
France na German.
Yes. Yan yung tour guide namin sa France. Ang bilis maglakad. Parang sanay magtakbuhan.
Siyempre, dalawang bansa kami na ako eh. German sa France.
At ito talaga ang aking forever.
Ng France. France na German France.
Yan ang aking
German
yung one
France.
and only.
German France.
Forever lang.
Sana all.
That's why I'm so fit, with a lot of muscles. No, I don't have any muscles. Wait, I have a few of them, but... Okay, let's go.
Let's go!
Lakad-lakad sa kayo, tatakbo na tayo. Lalaya ikaw. Lakad tayo sa kanila.
Welcome, France!
German France.
Yes! City tour in France! Mga sulit-suki ka BF! Dito kami sa France ngayon.
Watch your steps with the tiles. Watch your steps with the tiles. It's...
Di ba, inikot
Doon
na natin
pala.
yan?
Kaya nga, yun oh.
Same lang.
Ha?
Parehas lang.
Paras lang ba?
Oo. Same structure. Freebird. Parehas lang yung sa Freebird. Kamukha.
Right. So, we are not town in yet. We are getting close to that right here. I don't know if everyone can see that, but there's a river. Well, we can't see the river properly, the water, but we see the bridges. We're going to cross a bridge right in a minute, and this bridge will mark the delimitation between the old town and the rest of the city. So, I want to bring you to the Tanners district. We're going to talk about what they were doing, and also we're going to talk about the architecture of the houses. So, we cross the bridge and then we directly turn on the left.
Yes.
Any questions?
No.
No? Let's go. Let's be careful because there will be more bikes in the city center, and in the city center, be careful with your personal belongings.
Yes.
Watch the pickpockets.
Still walking, city walking ng France. Ang daming tao. Ang daming turista. Halo-halo.
My ice cream. Special yan.
Yes.
Special na halo-halo yan.
Wow. Ilong lang akin. Oh. Tatawid ko pa. Antay kami ng stop. Tatawid kami ng river. Joke. Joke. City walking in
Watch your steps here by
France.
the tree. Watch your steps. Watch your steps. Don't walk too close to the tree. Watch your steps.
So, picture kita.
Buti na lang walang ulan. Tay, picturean mo ako, Tay.
Ha?
Picturean mo ako.
Picture lang kita lang.
Habang naglalakad.
Habang naglalakad.
Picturean mo nga ako, Tay, habang naglalakad.
Picture while walking. Picture while walking.
Yes. Walking City in France.
While walking.
Pero tingnan mo yung shop nila. Saan ang entrance nito?
Nando, sa gilid.
Let's stay on the sides because truck is coming.
Hinahanap ko yung entrance ng kanilang shop.
Mamaya na.
Marami ding mga upuan sa labas
Siyempre.
ng kanilang shop. Oh, nasaan na yung tour guide natin?
Nando, no?
Naghahabulan na. Ang bilis. Ayun pala. Yan, ang daming table and chair, mga sulit-sulit na BL.
Oh, merong ano, right.
Wow. Nice, in France.
If you want to go for garden there to get on that.
Yan ang tour guide namin dito sa France.
Right.
Just wait for the
Yeah, sure.
old lady at the end.
Right here, so we are standing on the central square of the city. Let's pretend that there's no church behind. We're going to talk about that afterwards at the end. Right in the middle of that square, there's a statue of someone. He's not very nice today because he's turning his back, but you can see that next to him, there's this tool, which is the printing press. Do you know who is the first one who printed a Bible? His name starts with a G. Genesis? No, that's Phil Collins. No, it's not. Oh, sorry, excuse me. It's not Genesis. Anyways, so look at the name of the restaurant. Okay. Look at the name of the restaurant right here. Gutenberg is actually his name. So Johannes Gutenberg, he was working as a jeweler here in Strasbourg in the 1440s, and we think that he started to develop the printing press system, the little letters in metal, actually the movable type, but then helped a lot of other printers to print new texts. So he printed the Bible at first, but he did not do that here. He did that in the German city of Mainz, where he was originally from. But here in Strasbourg, we claim that he started the work a little bit. So that's why we say that actually his invention is a big part of the city. Even if we're not really sure about that. But you know how it is. When there's a slight moment when we can pull the history for us, we do that. So we basically stole his figure to the Germans, but he was 100% German, did that in Germany. So, oops. I hope it's not broken. All right, so do you have any questions?
Not so far.
All right, so we're just going to walk around the corner right here to reach that district that we were talking about before. And all these houses that you can see around you, they are built with two main elements: stone for the ground floor, and then wooden beams, mostly pine tree and oak tree as well, for the frame and the upper floors. So this was the easiest and the cheapest elements to use in order to build a house. They are like IKEA houses, you know, you can build them and then dismantle them and rebuild them in another place. You saw some of them in Germany, so it's a very particular type of construction coming from Central Europe. It's actually, as we said, the easiest way to build a house. We need all of that, strong ground floor, because we got the river next to us. So we need to have proper foundations. And yeah, right here, this is these houses that are still the oldest, still standing in the city from the late 1500s, early 1600s. The majority of them, except the one with the white shutters on the other side of the river in front of you, which is from the 18th century. Right, so everyone, if you would like to walk around right here and take a few pictures, we are going to meet right here in 10 minutes. Okay, so at 11:30 we meet just right here, and then we are going to walk back to the cathedral to end the tour. So at 11:30 right here.
So you can go walk around to make some pictures. Okay, then come back in 15 minutes. Okay.
If you walk around the house here, you can stand on the bridge there. It makes nice pictures.
Mahaba pa pala doon, nak, oh. Saan na si Ate Junlin? Ayun, pumunta doon, te. You know? Ang daming tao. Wow! Dami. Bunso, pwede mag-cook si nanay mamaya po?
Huh?
Pwede po mag-cook si nanay mamaya.
So?
Cook?
Hindi ba bawal?
Sila mahigpit eh, no?
Diabetic pa si mama? Ay, naku no. The big no.
Sabi.
Oo. Yung kaya kasi naglalakad ko eh. Nag-i-insulin.
Upo. Hindi na?
Pagdating na lang sa Pilipinas.
Ate Be, magluto ka ng insaladang talong.
Yan, sarap yun.
Sarap, tapos may sili, tinulang nitib na manok.
Ay, ang sarap naman.
Oh my God, tuyo.
Oo.
Okra, pakbe.
Oo. Parang kaya natin nakakain yan.
Opo.
Kasi parang first time na ako.
Mamaya, long drive na naman tayo, no? Punta na naman kami ng parang last destination na natin yun.
Oo.
Paris.
2 nights.
2 nights tayo sa Paris.
Opo.
Paris.
Parang aayusin ko na yung mga gamit ko mamaya.
Kaya nga po anak, timbangin ko na yung mga bag para
Saan
ma-ready
tayo
na.
magtitimbang? Yung kasi yung mga kadagdag sa bag namin, yung pagpunta namin sa mga kapatid namin, may mga padapadalang mga tsokolate kung ano-ano.
Opo.
Hahati-hatiin ko na ito.
O di na po ako namili ng tsokolate. Bala ko pagdating na lang sa Pinas, sa duty free.
Yung padala, amin lang, actually sa amin lang yung magkakapatid. Yung aking ipapasalubong sa in-laws ko, sa Maynila na rin
oo,
ako bibili.
Sa ano,
Kahit hindi sa duty free, meron din sa SM niya.
Opo.
Hindi na nila alam, parehas lang naman. Yung dala ko ngayon, ano yun? Kapatid kong binili. Ilan kasi yung kapatid ko sa Italy. Tapos, binilang kami lahat na nasa Pilipinas, binilang kami ng mga... Hindi lang kasi naggulo-gulo na kami nung kapipili ng mga sasabi, pumili ka, kaya mo dalawa pag kaganyan-ganyan ko sa amin. Ang lamig, oh.
4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, we good? Okay, so everyone, we're going to walk back right now directly to the cathedral area. Of course, we're going to take another street we're going to take the oldest street in the city, which was designed by the Romans when they arrived here on the last years of the 1st century BC. And there used to be an older street, a commercial street that used to connect what's today Strasbourg and what's today Paris. So we're going to walk back to the cathedral. Let's go.
Only 2 months. Good. June until the 1st of September.
Okay. I know it's not easy to spot, but can you see the cathedral? Yes. Okay, good. So, this is obviously then, as we said, the Cathedral of Strasbourg. It's one of the oldest buildings in the city. It was built between the years 1015 and 1439. 424 years of construction. And if you look at the building, it's not even finished. Because we're missing a tower on the southern side. You can see that there's one tower where the sun is right here in front of us. We don't see that other, but there's a tower right here, a regular one, on the north, but on the south we're missing one. I can't tell you why we're missing a tower because we don't know. We think about what's below us, the ground, the structure of the ground. Where we were before, there was the River Ill. We crossed that river right before. There's a lot of water below us in the ground. And we guess that the weight of a second tower would have been too heavy for the structure, the underground structure of the church, and this could have caused the leaning, sinking or collapse of the cathedral. Just like what's happening in Pisa. It happened for the exact same reason. The ground is not strong enough for the whole structure. Here, probably, maybe, we could have had the same thing, but for that, of course, we will never know. So the church is entirely, 90% of it is made with sandstone, which is the stone that we can find locally in the Black Forest, but also in the Vosges Mountains. You were in Freiburg, so you saw that the cathedral there was also built with that type of stone. It's very similar, by the way, to the one in Freiburg. This one is dedicated to the Virgin Mary. It's called, I'm sure you heard that name before, Notre Dame. This one is called Notre Dame, just like the one in Paris. But Notre Dame means Our Lady. So this one is actually called Our Lady of Strasbourg. In Paris, we got Our Lady of Paris. In Reims, Our Lady of Reims. In the majority of the cities in France, we have churches. Long story short, but the Virgin Mary was said the holy protector of the Kingdom of France. That's why a lot of cathedrals in France are dedicated to her. So it's 143 meters high. It's today the second tallest cathedral and church in France. So we're going to get close to that one. And then I want to show you a few other things around the church, especially if you are a bit hungry. Let's go.
Do you know the name of the architect?
I don't know the name of all the architects, but the three that were most famous. So the one
So, religious
Tindog na dyan.
Balik ko, picture kita.
So we were gonna make one group picture here, and then after you have free time until 1 p.m. Okay? 1 p.m. meet at the same place here, in front of this building that you cannot miss. Come here to make one group picture now, please. Here.
Gusto tayo kain? Gusto niyo ba lumayo?
Ikaw yan po lang. Kayo po lang.
Time.
Sige, wag na lumayo. Diyan na lang o sa...
Restaurant. German.
Saan pa gusto?
May Korean doon kasi malayo.
Nasa Panama.
Kasi kung nung nagmamadal time ko naman, pero wala na.
Sarap ng kain ng ice cream kahit malamig. Oh. Sa ice cream pa rin. Ay, wala po.
French.
4. Family 4.
George.
5. 6, 7, 8, 9.
Nakakainit kasi tika.
Sino wala?
Wala.
Viber na lang. Yes, po, family 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5.
Naka-short na lang kasi sa...
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Sino yung family 4?
Tita, family 4?
4.
Yes.
Complete?
Una lang natira.
Nagtatakbo na. Parang nakakatuwa din, no? Magtakbo-takbo lang dito sa France, oh. Enjoy much! Parang naghahabulan lang dito sa France, oh.